All right, so you've done some really great work. You've gotten to know your potential customers. You've identified their top fears, frustrations, and problems. And you've even seen how your product or service might fit in. So now it's time to go and build your product and service, right? No, do not go and build your product or service now. You still need to understand why it is that people buy, and you need to prove that you know why it is that people are going to buy your product or service. If I could share something that's a little bit grossly personal, I recently went to the dentist, and it had been almost a year since I've been to the dentist. I had had 2 checkups that I was supposed to go, just routine checkups, to go and see the dentist for, but I'd kept postponing them. The truth is, nobody really wants to go to the dentist, and I really didn't have a clear or compelling reason why I should have gone to the dentist. And then one day I found a bump on my gum and was kind of wondering what was going on. My wife looked at it and she said, "Oh honey, that's gross. Get into the dentist." Within 24 hours, I was in the dentist chair getting my mouth worked on, right? The reason I ended up in that dentist chair was because I had a compelling reason to go. And it only took me 24 hours to get in there. Whereas before, I had waited almost a year before going to a routine checkup, right? People take action. People pay for things when they have acute need or problem that they want to fix. I knew that going for a routine checkup was good for my health and I should do that, but knowing that something is good for you doesn't really give you that compelling reason. When you think you've got a problem or you know you've got a problem, then you'll take action. And so you want to really locate that compelling reason for why people are going to buy your product or service. So what this means for your offering is you really need to test out that you do indeed know why people would buy your product or service. And you need to do that before you create your product or service. So in the next video, we'll dive deeper into how to figure out whether you've really located the right why for your customer. And one of the best ways to understand that is to understand what their problem behind the problem is. So I'll see you in the next video.